Welcome, this is part 4 of our C# tutorials. Today we will learn about operators in C#. Okay, in this session we will learn about assignment operators and arithmetic operators, comparison operators and conditional operators, ternary operator and null collation operators. Okay, here the first operator is assignment operators. Assignment operator is nothing but the equal sign. The equal sign is used to assign the values to this particular variable. The equal signs will be used to assign the values. Let's quickly look at in our examples. Okay, here I have this integer type a variables. I want to assign 10 to a. How to assign? With the use of this equal sign. Okay, and I want to print these a values on a console. How to achieve this? Console.writeLine. Console.writeLine. Here I have these a variables which is hold this value of 10, which means the a is assigned these a values with the use of this equal signs. Okay, let's quickly run it. What's gonna happen? The a values will be printed. Okay, what I am expected. Okay, then the next one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators most likely used to in calculations in our programs. That in our program, in a situations we have to add the two numbers, or we have to multiply or subtract it, is whatever calculations which is used to these operators, arithmetic operators. Okay, this is the this two part is very similar. Okay, this division operators are used to give the output of our coefficients of the result. Okay, this modular is used to remainder of the result. Let's quickly look in this program. Here I have this a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 2, and I want to store the result in C. Okay, and C is equal to a by b, and what's gonna happen now? This time I want to print this result is C. Okay, what's gonna happen here? A is 10 divided by b is 2. 10 divided by 2, what is the coefficients will be done? Will be the result? The 5 will be printed because 5 is the coefficients of this result. Okay, and instead of this divided symbols, you put modular symbol here. It is the modular symbol. Okay, here what is the output? The remainder of these divisions. The 10 divided by 2, what will be the remainder? The 0 will be the remainder. So 0 is the result. Let's quickly look at this. Okay, this is the difference between these operators, divided operators and modular operators. Okay, and let's go back. And the third one is comparison operators. Comparison operators most similarly the assignment operators. Here we have this single equal signs are used to assign the values, but here double equals used to compare the two values whether it is equal or not. Okay, this is used to is it equal, and this not equal are used to do these two values are not equal to, or greater than or not equal, or less than or equal. These are the comparison operator. Let's quickly look at this in a simple program. Okay, comparison operator. Here I have this a equal to 10. Okay, here if a equal 10, which means I want to print equal. Okay, here a equal to 10. Here what is the value of a? A is 10. Okay, here a equal to 10. Yes, it is 2. So this block of code will be executed, otherwise the out of the block will be executed. Okay, here is this 2. So what gonna happen? The equal will be printed. Okay, equal will be printed. here this is the comparison operators, where instead of double equals I put this single equals, means it tells this error what cannot implicitly convert the into bool. Okay, so it makes sense. These single equals are used to assign the values, okay, but double equals are used to compare the two values. So this is correct, and the result what we are expected. And the next one is conditional operators. Conditional operators are two ways, two type of conditional operators, the AND operators and the OR operators. AND operator are used to should satisfy all the conditions, right, if there is but OR operators, one of the conditions will be satisfied, the backup code will be executed, otherwise it will not be executed. Okay, let's quickly look at in a program that make you clear. Okay, here I have the A equal to 10 and P equal to 2. Okay, and I want to use this AND operators and the OR operators, and later I tell what is the difference between the AND operators and OR operators. Here I check the first conditions, A equal to 10 and P equal to 2. I want to check two conditions here. What is the two condition? A equal to 10 and B equal to 2. These two conditions satisfied means only this backup code executed, otherwise this backup code will not be executed. Okay, here I print this message console.writeLine equal else part, within the else part here is this not equal. Okay, and let's see the result. What gonna happen here is the equal will be printed because the A is equal to 10, the condition you check is correct. Okay, the next condition is also correct, so this part of code will be executed. Okay, here I slightly modified 2 to 23. What gonna happen now? The check the condition, first condition A is equal to 10, the condition is true, and again the next condition will be checked, and P equal to 2, which is false, so this block of code will not be executed, the else part only the executed. So what gonna happen here? The not equals will be printed it here. Okay, instead of AND operators I just change whatever else. Instead of AND operator I put OR operators. Okay, here the A is equal to 10, the condition is true. Okay, so quickly execute this block of code. Okay, because this condition is true, one of this condition is true, this quickly executed. What's gonna happen now? Is equal sign is printed. Okay, here I change the numbers 21. Okay, here A is equal to okay, I change this number 1 and this is 2. Okay, here I change the A values to 1, so it should check A is equal to 10. No, this condition is fails. Okay, and again you should check these conditions. B is equal to 2. Yes, the B is satisfy this condition. Okay, so it will be execute fine, it will not be printed. This is execute fine, execute working fine. Okay, execute equal. So what is the difference between AND operators and the OR operators? AND operator are used to check the both conditions are should satisfied, otherwise it will not be printed. But OR operators is should satisfied is one of the condition is true, it will be executed. This is the difference between the AND operators and the OR operators. And what is this NAND operators? We will see the ternary operators, and the ternary operators is use this two symbol, only question mark and this colon. Okay, here is the sample program, the usage of the ternary operators. Okay, here I just delete all those things. Here I just mention one bool keyword and I want to here is this, I want to set to 10. Okay, and number. Okay, here, okay, just try to understand what I am going to do. Okay, bool, I want to check, I want to give it a meaningful name here. Is number is equal to, is number is 10. Okay, otherwise I put is number 10. Okay, if I want to check one of those conditions, number equal to 10, this condition is true, means this part of code will be executed. What is this 2 now? Is number is equal to 2. I want to bool keyword to true. I want to assign true to the bool keywords. Okay, else part is number 10 equal to false. Let's try to understand what is this I'm going to do. Okay, console.writeLine, I just print whatever in the is number 10, true or false, is number 10. Okay, I just make it clear for placeholders. Okay, the number is 10 equal whatever else. Okay, just place it comma, is number is place it here, substitute here. Okay, let's try to understand what I am coding here. I just initialize the 10 to the number integer variable, so the number is holding the value of 10. Okay, I want to set bool keyword and just declare a bool keyword is number 10. I am not yet initialized now. Okay, here I am checking the checking these conditions, number equal to 10. Okay, here the condition is true, so this block of code will be executed. What is this code? This code is the true will be assigned is the bool keyword is number 10. So the is number 10 is now true, and this part of code, this else part of code will not be executed because these conditions satisfied. Okay, and the next line, the next line, console.writeLine is number is true. So our result, our expected result is the true. And what's gonna happen? Okay, number is 10 equal to true, which is correct. Okay, here I change 10 to, okay, here 12. Okay, here now our number is 12. Okay, 12 is equal to 10. No, it is not correct, so it will be printed. Okay, just execute here false. Okay, but we are here large number of coding to doing these small things. So how to achieve in a single line of code with the use of the ternary operators? Okay, how to achieve this? Just bool this number is number 10, and I want to check now the conditions, number equal to 10. Here I change older values. Okay, his number is equal to 10 means print this line. Okay, this condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied, this will be printed. What is this? Number is equal to true. Okay, otherwise is number, this whole and part is the else part, is equal to false. Okay, and we just copy and place it here. Okay, this is the code. Okay, here what I am doing this, here is int number is equal to 10. Okay, here is number this is the conditions, is number equal to 10. Yes, is it correct? So the following the following first condition of this code will be executed, because this condition is true. So this code part will be executed, this will not be executed. So the is number is 2 is assigned to is number 10. So here is the 2 will be printed, otherwise it just execute. What gonna happen? Okay, number is 10, what I am expected, this is correct. Okay, I check just change 10 to 12. Here number equal to 10, no, it's false. So this part of code will not be executed, this whole and part will be executed. So false will be assigned to is number 10. So is number 10 is having the false statement, so the false will be the output. Okay, and this is the usage of the ternary operators, and in later sections we will talk about in a null collation operators. And thanks for watching, have a great day.